In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove Zoom app from your smartphone. If you no longer need this app and you want to uninstall it, it's quite simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to uninstall your Zoom app from your smartphone, so just go to your apps and then long press on your app once you have found it, and you can see we have this option to uninstall. So from here, you can uninstall the app by just tapping on uninstall. However, if you don't have this option here to uninstall, then you should have app info option, or if you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. Just tap on any of this to access Zoom app info page. From this page, you can also see we have this button to uninstall. By just tapping on it and confirming by tapping on OK, your app will be uninstalled. So I'll use the easiest method just by long pressing on it and then confirming to uninstall. And look at that, the app together with its files have been removed from my smartphone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Zoom app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.